Alright everybody, I've been out of it for a while. I had COVID, and my wife got COVID, and so I had to tend to her for a little bit, but I'm getting back at it here, and Brandon's been holding the shop together for me while I've been gone, which thank God I have him to do that for me, because we got so much work to do and just not enough time to do it. But anyhow, we got a nice little 421 that we got on the stand here that we just finished building for Art Marshall. This thing's got, it's going in a 1965 GTO, and he's got the 65 GTO number 77 heads on it that we ported and polished, and it's got stainless steel valves. It's got a comp cams hydraulic roller cam in it, 236, 242 with a 110 lobe separation, and Harland Sharp roller rockers, DSS dish pistons, so the compressions are right around 9.5 to 1, maybe a little bit better than 9.5 to 1 compression, so it'll run on pump gas. And of course a 1965 Tripower intake manifold, and we rebuilt the carburetors for him and got those all straightened out. And he's going to put this in a 1965 GTO. I don't know if I mentioned that or not. But anyways, it's got a factory distributor that we put a fast ignition system conversion, electronic conversion in it. We don't have the wire looms on the wires yet, but we will get those on there. We got to touch up some paint on this thing yet too. But I mentioned the ported heads already. So that the heads flow. Oh, another thing we did to this thing too is we converted this to screw-in rocker arm studs. Whenever we put these bigger lift cams in, because this cam's got 540 lift on it, we like to make sure and put a screw-in stud with a 7/16 stud so it doesn't break. The bottleneck 3/8 studs, 3/8 to 7/16 stud, tend to break with lift anything over like 470 lift, and with spring pressure over 130 pounds on the seat. So we're going to fire this thing up, let you listen to it a little bit, and watch the throttle response. This thing's pretty snappy for what it is. It's not anything crazy. You just wanted around a 450 horsepower engine to drive on the street. All right, Brand, fired up. One of our mufflers fell off. There we go. Now it's quiet again. When you're doing that, when you're revving it, boy, it sure scares the shit out of you. This thing is internally balanced now, so we use a neutrally balanced flywheel. Try to get back here, let you guys hear the idle.